to cooking. Here we are gonna be making this delicious mouth-watering scallop. After watching this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment. Comment is very important for these videos to do very well. Thank you so much for commenting and press that like button. Here I'm showing you all the ingredients you're going to need. I don't usually like the fishy smell from the scallops, so you can see there I soak it in the milk and the milk takes away a bit of the smell. Like the fishy smell, you can skip the milk part. Oh, I like that color. Oh my. It's my to go to for cutting anything. But after you soak the scallops, you're gonna take away the milk and then let them dry. And from now on, let's watch and see how I made this mouth-watering scallops.